Now, I noticed that KRA have posted an update, and let me read it to you. So there's an article here written by Kenya Revenue Authority about from iTax to WhatsApp, filing just got easier. In other words, they are claiming that you can now file your returns through WhatsApp. So let's see what they write. Now, they are saying, we've said it before, but this time it's real. Filing your taxes just got easier. We've introduced simpler ways for you to file, and the biggest update is this: you can now file through WhatsApp. No new apps, no extra steps, just open WhatsApp and get it done. For many people, filing isn't hard because it's complicated. It's hard because it feels like a process: logging in, resetting passwords, figuring out forms, starting, stopping, and coming back later. Let me proceed. So instead of asking you to work through all of that on your own, we've made the experience simpler and more supportive. Returns are now pre-filed while possible. Okay? So you need to note that. The system is more guided. Support and filing can now happen on WhatsApp. Okay? Everything is designed to help you complete your filing more easily with less back and forth. Less time spent trying to figure out things, less stress around deadlines, more confidence and control over your filing. You don't need to be expert to file anymore. You just need to get started. WhatsApp. This is about making tax filing fit into your day, not disrupt it. Start early, file on time, and if you need help, support is as close as your WhatsApp. And then there's no link to WhatsApp. There's no link to a video that is explaining how you can now be able to file your returns using WhatsApp. Okay? I don't know if they are going to create a bot that is going to file for you. And we've had some awesome replies to this. Of course, you can go and read it. But then I've tried to find out if they have explained how this is being done, but I haven't. I even went to their WhatsApp channel, and I found no idea about filing using WhatsApp. Okay? So I'll be following it up. If I get any updates, I will let you know, because now they are claiming not everyone now should be filing nil returns. There are some of you who are filing nil returns, and yet your M-Pesa are so heavy. Hawa wase wameingilia M-Pesa na banki yako. So banki yako iko heavy, M-Pesa iko heavy, na unasema una file nil kitu gani? Anyway, I'll be following this up, and I will be letting you know how to file using WhatsApp, if at all it works. We haven't seen a video yet, but I will create a video explaining this once it is well explained. Otherwise, if you want to file the normal way, please reach out. Also, if you want to file for ITR, please reach out. We can do it for you at an affordable price. Otherwise, I think click this side of the screen to watch our next video, and I hope to see you in that video. Peace. Lisema hii ni 2 term. Peace.